Parrots are highly intelligent birds known for their vibrant colors and ability to mimic human speech. There are over 370 different species of parrots, each with unique characteristics and behaviors. Parrots are social creatures that thrive in flocks, forming strong bonds with their companions. These birds have a varied diet consisting of fruits, nuts, seeds, and sometimes insects. Parrots are excellent problem solvers and have been observed using tools in the wild. Some parrot species can live up to 80 years, making them long-term companions for their owners. Parrots communicate through vocalizations, body language, and even dance movements. These birds require mental stimulation and interaction to prevent boredom and behavioral issues. Parrots are found in tropical and subtropical regions around the world, adapting to various habitats. In conclusion, parrots are fascinating creatures with complex behaviors and captivating personalities.